These are two Trane air conditioners. They are straight cool units, both from 1986, and both 5 nominal tons or 60,000 BTUs. Climate-tough reciprocating compressor. And I'm pretty sure these are just matched up with cool-only air handlers. The building is really old, and I think it has like hot water heating or possibly electric baseboard heating. I don't think it has forced air heat. And these, like I said, are not heat pumps. And it just says Trane on them. It doesn't say Executive Series or Elite Series or anything like that, but I think they are Executive Series. They have the general design of Executive Series. And as you can see, the units are old, but a lot of work has been done to them, like the low side has been re-insulated. Filter dryer might be newer. Appears to be newer. And the pads definitely are not from 1986. The pads definitely look newer. I mean, they might be from 1986, but they don't look like they're 26 years old. And for some reason they painted the top of the units gray. They used to be like tan just like the rest of the unit, but like a year or two ago they painted them gray. As you can see, it's starting to fade off. And the fan grates used to be really rusty, but they painted them black. Like a while ago they took these apart and cleaned them out heavily and repainted some components, but other than that, I think these units are largely original. It's got the spine fin coils and the climate-tough compressor, both Trane signature components. And this insulation for this low side isn't as in good condition. And I have not seen these running in a very long time. They do work as far as I know, but it's been a while since I've seen them running. I think it's just a matter of being here on the right day when it's warm enough to actually use them. Hopefully I will get a new high-quality video of them running. Because the original video I had of them running was not all that long. Like 1 minute and 30, I think. These might actually be commercial units. Usually the commercial units just say Trane on them. These might be like big 3-phase units. Because like that XC series I filmed a while ago with that pumping station, it said Trane on it but didn't have a model designation. So these might be commercial 3-phase. All I know is they're both from 86 and they're 5 nominal tons. And they're straight cool units. A maintenance guy a while ago confirmed to me that these are straight cool units, not heat pumps. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.